Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Is that... I didn't mute it. Okay, there. Just so happens I did that at that perfect moment for that to happen. Alright. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm definitely going to be a lot more low energy today. I didn't really get the best sleep last night. But gotta get back to work. Do I have a... Yeah, I have a start. What does the start bat do? It's been so long. Okay, it starts remedy, that's right. Let me start this up. Excuse me. Alright. Opened up. I don't know where the thing is, so we'll see. Ah, there's the edge. See if I can get it. I think that's good enough, right? Yeah. Good enough. Alright, so let me get this. Put it over here. Alright, so let me pull up GitHub on a new browser window. Alright. Issues, 9 of them in total. Alright. Actually, I could do that really quickly. Create a new file when settings is not present. That would be good to get out of the way now. And I'm totally not just putting off working on the map because I know how long that's going to take. Let's just close those. Settings. If that's the case, then I'm going to... It's going to be a new function. Yeah, no, it's... Oh, actually, that's... So, sorry, thought process going on my head that I need to just actually let out so people know what I'm talking about. So idea, it checks to see if the file exists. If it doesn't, it creates it, and then it just grabs it anyway. Instead of returning here, it still loads it. It just creates it first, which is a roundabout way of doing it, but it works in theory. All right, so let me open up raylib. So the goal is okay, so this brings in constants. There are constants I'm going to need for this. Is there a... Can I... do this? No, right? It's not going to let me do this. Yeah. So a constant is not necessary here. Let's just do file size. It's going to be an int, but I feel better. Like, I know it's possible to. I know I can do that. It's perfectly fine, but I just prefer to have like it written down what the type is. It just helps me think about things better. Right? No, it doesn't let me do that. Is there a size function? No. Okay. Well. Is there anything I can do on this side? Yeah, so it looks like I just have to do it like this. And then just go with this. So I think it's gonna start raining soon today. Hold on, let me check the weather. I just really want to check the weather really quickly. It's 80 degrees right now, fuck. Showers in the vicinity, cool. It is going to rain. So that's 4, 8, 12. Ooh, actually do enums. You know what? I'm going to I-32 do that. Okay, so 16. Alright. Settings file size. I don't actually need to declare it now as a variable. So is there a thing for creating this, or do I have to allocate? Is file get distraction, file name, is file extension, save file text, save file data. Yeah, now it says constant char, file name, void pointer data, unsigned int, bytes to write. Alright, so if that's the case, then that means I need to do something to the extent of that works, right? Yeah, just making sure. So that's creating a int array, so that means I'm going to need to have unfuse. Ooh, that's not correct. I'm not typing correctly today. Okay, so the input obviously is going to be Actually, I know exactly what I can do here. Int thing, array, I heard thunder, so that's fun. 8. 32. So that's the goal. And it's going to be basically like implanting it into there. Implanting it into the array. So that's actually input u8. Ooh, that's not what I wanted. U8. But I know how long this is going to be. It's going to be 4. So input 0 is equal to so when it was going about thing, 0 was at the very end. Well, no, 0 is the, like, so it's a little endian. So and actually, hold on. I think U8. Maybe I can just do it simply like this. Input. Actually, I don't even need to do this. I can just have it array offset plus 0, and then do it like this. Do 2, 2, 3. All right, so var, but it's shifted right 8, and then this is done for all these, but another 8 each time. I wonder if that'll actually work. FMT, do I have, I don't have it, actually. Import for FMT, FMT.printf. This, and then I can just do 24, right? Does all of this compile properly? Yes. All right. Unfuse. So we have I32, which it would be this, the array, offset. That's it, right? Yeah. Let's build. Alright, I've never used slices before. Slices look similar to arrays, however the length is not known at compile time. The type T is a slice with an all in two slices of indices, high and low, separated by a colon. This selects half open range. Oh, okay then. Actually, that makes things easier. Can't I just do this with this? Get rid of this. Save. Wrong way. Get rid of this and then just have 0, 3? How do I do... $25 in utilities. Okay, maybe I don't need to do that. No, I don't. Holy shit. Alright. Let's see if this works. Oh, but the file exists, so I can't do anything with it. Reveal in File Explorer. Move that to my desktop really quickly. Just create a duplicate and delete it. Build. This file's only copy when I build. So it didn't do anything. Oh, it's because I'm stupid. I didn't create the new file yet. There we go. Build. Nothing? Nothing. Create settings. Let's just do I have format here? Just making sure. Oh. What? I don't know what the bool is. True. But it doesn't exist. Oh, wait, hold on. It's because it's... Yeah, okay, I see. It's not recursive. It's not deleting the old one. I need to fix that. File doesn't exist. 0500. Okay. And it's crashing. I knew it was going to crash. That's the thing. Okay, so 05... Wait. 0500. And I think that's correct, isn't it? Let's see. 0500. Yeah, it is. It's in the correct order. Alright, so if that's the case, then that unfuses them. Wow, I got that right on the first try. I'm honestly very proud of myself. Alright, so then this is going to be happening again, 5 to 8. Let's be 720. Target FPS is going to be the same, but space 80, and it's going to be 9 to, what is that, 12. And then the final one, 113 to 16. Okay, so we have the array, we have them all infused into there. And now we just got to create the file. Is it already raining? Holy shit. So, save file data. That's what it looks like as a C returns true. Alright, save file data. Data settings.min. Now the question is am I going to have to do funny pointer stuff in order to get this to work? Let me quickly just reveal in folder so I can easily just delete the file if I need to. Undeclared name, save file data. Oh, that's right. Raylib. Oop. And actually I can, oh wait, no. To raw pointer, but can I convert it to raw pointer? Cannot cast array as raw pointer from 16U8. Why not? Why can I not cast that? Pointers. In arrays, array programming. Raw pointer type. How do I do this? Can I just... This wouldn't work. Utilities 33, 30. Okay, hold on. 30. Okay. Wait, I think I might have fucked up here. Like this, maybe. Index 3 is out of range. 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it just below? Slices. Let's do some more reading. This is my first time. All right, so Fibonacci's 1:3 creates a slice which includes elements 1 through 3. 1:4 creates a slice which includes elements 1 through 3. So it is non-inclusive of the last one. So this would be 4. Okay, so I see. I have to do it like this. Hello. And let us see. Hey! Let's compare them. Oh, there is a difference. Wait, which one is it? Oh wait. I think I realized what the problem is. I set this to 1 when actually English is 0. Build. It's not saying it anymore. Oh, I don't have it say anything. And everything is correct. Right? Yep. Everything is correct now. Oops. Oof. That's bright. Alright, cool. Cool. Options totally does its own thing now. And I can reformat this to be better. There. It makes things a lot better. It just means I have to rewrite this every single time I change this. Which is kind of annoying, but it could be worse. It also means I have to edit this anyway, so I mean, thought it's not that big of a deal. Alright, pull up this. Where is add? Commit. Fixed issue. Oh wait, it's not fixed issue, it's fixed number. What number is this? 1. Okay. Okay. I could commit this, but map generation, map loading, debug logging. That's something I could work on. Debug logging. That might be useful. I'm wondering. So the way I'm trying to think of how to do debug logging, because I'm not, when I say debug logging, I don't mean like console window logging, because I can just do that with format. I'm talking about having a log that's printed out into a file. Oh, I forgot to do something. Let me just quickly do this so I don't forget. I've been keeping such good notes of all of what I do. Okay. And now this part, Friday, July 1st. Oh shit, I forgot what it was 3, right? Yes, it was. I'm pretty sure, 90% sure it was 3. Alright, so open this up. Sorry. There. Just wanted to make sure I got all that written down. I forgot to do it when I woke up, so I have to do it sometime. But it's done now. Alright, so back to what I was doing. So there are different ways I could do this. I could literally just have a string that I constantly concatenate onto. Could I do that with a string? Probably. Or I could have a dynamic list, a dynamic array of strings, and each string is a line, but then I would have to make a function to comb through that, create a file out of it, and then print it. I mean, yeah. Which is probably the better way of doing it. It's probably the better way of doing it. That way I don't have a continuous string. Oof. Still rumbling. God, I fucking love rain. Now, yeah, I think I'll do the logging. It's just gonna be logging. Odin. That's not the right one. This is the temp. Save. Alright. So. There's no structure for it. There is a global variable, though. That's going to be, not capital first letter. String. Dynamic. Add log would be string, and it'd just be this is a very simple function. It's just a wrapper function, basically. Oops. Because it's literally just this, and that's it. I'll need to have an input for this one. And it would just be basically, it needs to go through each thing. So actually, ideas emerging. Open up Odin packages. Strings. Where are you, strings? There you are. Now, to write bytes. Appends a slice of bytes to the builder, returns the append diff. Okay, that's not what I wanted. I'm trying to see if there's a function to just outputting upper to string to stream. Can I take the IO stream and just print my own file? How do you... I don't understand how IO works. Because read seek to byte reader to seeker, blah 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 blah. I don't know where, unless it's in a different thing. Maybe it is. Maybe it's an OS. File info, file mode, file time. This is constants. Give me procedures. Give me procedures. No, give me procedures. File info, file size, get environment, heap allocate. Is Windows open? String mode. Read directory, read full. Alright, what's a handle? You went pointer. Thank you. file info. This is not what I oh well. I guess what I can just do is output I need to count how large everything is to have the output a correct number. So in order to do that, I need to basically go through for I equal to 0, I is less than length of output log I plus equals 1. And then for O equal to 0, O is less than output log I length of output log I, O plus equals 1. Length, oops. There. T.printf I length technically speaking it should always be initialized, but I don't know how that works with global. I'll guess I'll see in a second here. Okay. Let's do main and then add to log and then print log. Fuck. Print log. Four? Okay. So in theory this should be 16. Okay. So it does count it correctly. Cool. Cool. And does this work? I can't remember if I can do this. It must be a constant. But I can't make it a constant. I can't make it a constant though. Because it's not a constant number. Is there anything I can do here? You know, I don't know what to do here. Because I need it to be a normal array, not a dynamic array. Because unless I'm mistaken, I'm pretty sure I'm not, dynamic arrays are just lists. Unless they do some cool fucking stuff. Oh, wait a second. Is this a way I can do this? Oops. Oops. Output. Make U8. Oops. U8. Length. Where is the error? Oh, wait, actually thinking really quickly. No, okay. Do I have to delete? In case I do, delete. Well, let me do this really quickly so that it doesn't error that out. Yeah, okay. But free. Okay. Why doesn't this work though? Expected an operand. Oh. I'm stupid. There we go. Okay, so I can just do it like that. Now that I think about it, it makes perfect sense. Basically what this does is it's already pre-allocating, the compiler is allocating the space in the file for it. Meanwhile, this is basically doing a malloc request. Unfortunately, it doesn't matter with this because I still can't. There's no easy way of getting the size that I know of. Not yet, at least. I'm still learning the language. Oh, I've already been going for an hour. Alright, so we got the output. We've got the length. Now we just need to go through each string and basically just copy this again, have it go again, and instead of length, though, do... what would it be? Can I do it like this? Output log IO no fucking way this is going to work. But I'm just curious. Holy fucking shit, it worked. No way that fucking worked. I am going to do a thing here. I forgot to recopy the settings. There. Localization, English, open with, hex editor. I hope 0A is all I need. I can just do this, right? Oh shit. Why? Why is it not saying it's a... Hello? Okay. So, alright. Offset 1. So basically it's just it's using this to keep track of it. And then when it's done, it's going to print it as where's settings? I need to copy this. There. I don't have Raylib on here right now, so let's copy that over. Oh. And not settings either. U32. Can I just change this to U32 and be done? Yes, I can actually. Now let's see if that worked. Reveal in folder. Data. Log.bin. Ooh. That isn't what I expected. It needs to... Wait. This is longer than an... Oh, wait, no. This is right. It needs to be 4 fuck plus new line. 4 new line. 4 new line. 4 new line. Oh. One thing I also forgot. plus 1. Output offset at the very end here, 0. So that changed things, but it didn't. It didn't. All right. So take this. It should be 66. We should be looking at 66, 75, C. Okay. This is what we should see repeated over and over again. Up until the end. Wait, it didn't do that. Four, 1, so 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's idea. What if I put it beforehand? Oh. It didn't change anything, right? No. So it's... Oh yeah, no, I can't have it like this. No, actually, that should be correct. I'm missing something very obvious here. I'm missing something very obvious. So, offset is equal to 0. I equals 0, I equals is less than length, that output log. I plus equals 1. So, and then O is equal to blah, 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 blah. Output 0 is equal to output log 0, 0, so it should be F. And then it plus is 1, and it should do U plus C plus K plus, and then it drops out, puts new line there, plus, and then it goes around again 3 more times, and then it puts 0. I'm very confused as to why it's causing problems here. What is the problem? What is the problem? And I'm also going to do this because I feel less safe not having it out yet. Alright, so output, yeah, no, I don't see why it's... I don't see why it would be having problems. Alright, well, secondary idea. Renew the folder. Hold on, wait a second. Okay, I think I just found something that... Hold on. I think I just found something that might... hold on, I'm going to completely cancel this really quickly. Let me open up, clone this so that I can see multiple things at the same time. Copy this. Well, first I less than length. Put log I plus equals 1. Oh, shit. If this works, then this actually... do this. Yes, I can. Hold on, let's delete that just so we can test. No, that's still not working. But this clears up a lot of room because now length and all this stuff is not needed. should probably go through and just read a bunch of these different core libraries, because I would totally just know a lot of it, that I could do a lot of this shit if I just read the fucking documentation. Alright, so write buffer. Yeah, I don't get why. See, I don't understand why it's doing this. Buffer right string. Ugh, brain hurty. I don't understand what the problem here is. Because it's getting the right length. 5 per. And then a 0, 0 at the end. It's getting the right length, but for some reason it's just not copying them all the time. One, 2, 3. No, yeah, they're going correctly. See, the thing is, so let's just copy this to a notepad. Somewhat has a pattern. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing a pattern here. There's always a 15 there. There's always an 80 there. There's always an 8 in the first. What? I really just don't understand why this is not working. Like, I can understand why my own code might not work, but this is literally what they intended to use for this. Because looking at the structure of what the buffer is, it is 3 variables. It is the buffer, which is a dynamic U8 array. There's the offset, which is int. Last read is read op, which I don't know what that is. Buffer is a variable size buffer of bytes with an IO stream interface. The 0 value for a buffer is an empty buffer ready to use. Yeah. Am I supposed to... Yeah, no. Because buffer write, where if I can scroll down to it. Buffer write string returns an int, which is supposed to be... Pretty sure that's supposed to be the number of things written. I can try to see. Two outputs. Fuck. There. Just do it, please. 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. But why is it not doing that? Is the question. If I do this and treat this as a string, what happens? Delete that. If I treat it as a string... Okay, so it's not... Wait a second. I think I know what the fucking problem is. I swear to God, if this is it, I'm going to... fucking fun. This is working very well. Is there a pointer library? I hate this. Why? Avoid that, because this is a character. Wouldn't this be just? Blah 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 blah. Pointer U8. If I just do this, what happens? That's must be null terminated, returns true on success. It is. Like, that's true, but I just can't get the typing right. Cannot of type to U8. Oh my god. Pointers fucking suck in Odin. Let's look at mem. Maybe it's something in mem. Any to bytes. Okay, so that turns anything into U8. Let's just see if I can find a pointer to U8. There's only one, and it's compare byte pointers. Oofta. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Pointer U8. don't know why you can't just convert these two. They're basically the same thing. What if I do this instead? What? I wanna fucking die. Alright, well, let's try and get back to... Why can't I just convert it? I don't understand. Like... I don't understand why. I just don't get why. It saves data, but why does it not? Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. There's nothing I can find. Effort to bytes. Could I do... would be this. My fucking brainium. My brainium. Alright. Well, got that working. Now I can do things like if I open with Notepad, yeah, there we go. Actually, with that being said, I think I will delete that, and instead of log.bin, log.text. There we go. Logging. While I'm still here, I'm just going to see if there is a way okay, is there a way to IO, okay, that converts that into an IO stream. Okay, wait. What does a stream look like? What is a stream? Stream vtable and stream data. Vtable is all of that. I would assume it has to be an OS because of because Linux and Windows handle file writing so different. And there's a file mode and file info in OS. So I'm guessing that there is something. But write just has a handle and just has data. And handle is not. Handle is just a uint pointer. I guess I could grab file info and find it and see where it is. File info grab, file info slice delete, fstat, istat, read directory, stat. It seems like file info is just something you get, it's not something you use. Which doesn't make sense to me, because that is where you get the file path. Let's look at string. Args, blah blah blah. change directory, environ, okay, exists, file size from path, get current directory, get environment, is directory, is file, last write time by name, link, lookup environment, istat, make directory open. Read entire file from file name. See, that like, I can open shit with it. And I could do that in settings here because it literally takes name string allocator, which is already generally set. It's context specific allocator, and it returns the success as a bool and the data as an array of U8, which I could take and I could do shit with here. Like, I could go back up here. The thing is, like, this should do things based on his file. We'll see here. If this is OS. You know what, I'm going to actually add do this. Where is it? Debug logging is number 4. I'm going to push both of those just to make sure. Yep, number 4 and number 1 are gone. Okay, cool. I did get everything like that right. Technically, I saved with this right here, which... Okay, was that somebody knocking at my door? No, it was somebody knocking on my wall. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, continuing. Let's just do a quick OS os.isFile, and then let's see if it needs the full file or if data settings.bin is fine. Do fmt.printf. Does B do bool? I don't remember. Why am I doing it like that when I could just do it like this? bool equals true. So if I get rid of the n there, bool equals false. Alright. So this is a raylib agnostic way of doing this. And the thing is, I want to move away. I want to, as if I possibly can, I want to not use raylib. Because in the future, possibly, there might be a time where I take all of the raylib stuff and remove it and implement my own stuff. Possibly. It's not a guaranteed thing. It's a maybe future kind of thing. The reason why I say that it's definitely a possibility of it happening is because Odin has a vendor library for OpenGL. Now, I've never actually built anything with OpenGL on my own, so that's going to be a lot of work and a lot of learning and a lot of stuff, but hey, that's not the main goal of this. That's why I'm using raylib in the first place. But I would like to keep it as agnostic, raylib agnostic as possible. So, if that is the case, then that means I will need to do things like here, os dot write entire file. Take that. Array. And then result. If result is equal to false, do well, first of all, let me move print log to main free. Let me delete this, cut that, save, do add to log. I also have to create a save settings thing when you edit the save. Edit the settings. Okay, so turn on assigned value array. I honestly have no idea what I just fucking did. I guess we'll see. Delete both of those. Build. Delete that again. Run. And it fucking worked. Alright. Completely file agnostic. I mean, raylib agnostic. And that makes me happy. There's a difference between relying on a core library from the language you're using and a external library, in my opinion. So Now I gotta find out if there is a read. I mean, there's that say write file. I need to get the read file. Read entire file from file name. Yes, there it is. Okay, cool. That is a long ass fucking name. Okay, do that. Raw data. 8. I keep doing that. Do that. Does that... Oh wait, hold on before I do anything. Do that. I will need to delete raw data. Maybe I can just get away from doing that. Undeclared name raw data. Oh. I can't just do that, but I also need to do that. Or maybe not. What? Oh. Wait, what? Oh. I should just be able to do that. Like, fuck. Alright. Does that work? Yeah, it looks like it. Which means it is a completely disconnected settings loading from Raylib. Which makes me happy, honestly. There is something else I want to... Oh wait, I need to do localization now. Oof. Alright. Well. Let me pull logging off to the side so I can copy from it. No, not logging. Settings. That's right. Copy this. It's shorter. And then raw data is equal to... Can remove that. Raw data is equal to OS. But there's also I'll also just do error. What is error type of? Oh, wait. Reading the entire file is a success. wool. Do this, and comment that out. See if it builds properly. Oh, I didn't do that. Okay. Oop, did not mean to do that one. Spanish. German, French save, all right. Oh, and then I need to do the add to log. Add to log. Major. Okay. We've got all that. So that means copy string. If I just remove that, does that just work now? Possibly. I don't exactly know if all of this works properly. I guess I can just do a quick test. Yeah, alright. It works. Let's just clean this up now. Let's do both of that. Offset. Let's say Raylib in there. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. That makes me happy. That makes me very happy. And I'm sure I could do like button stuff. That's not necessary right now. Ugh. I've been going for 2 hours. Let me add everything. Commits. Alright. Let me see. How is my only contributed 3 times today? I guess that makes sense. there's a lot of map opening, map stuff. Rage UI needs to be done for the title screen stuff. Province stuff needs to be is a combination of Rage UI and map. So if I don't want to get into map creation yet, I think what I need to do is player movement. At least for now. Now, a question actually is... Ooh, what the fuck? Save. That was weird. A question actually comes up now. Should I do key bindings right now? Should I start doing that? I could. All I need to do is... Let's see, Odin, where's key bindings? Yeah, here they are. Question is how would I do key bindings? Would I just have it as an array, or would I have it as individual variables? Because I could do. Does this have? Yeah, U32. Oops. Could do it like this, or possibly like this. U32. Now see, here's the thing, U32, it doesn't need to be 32, it just needs to be 16. So it doesn't get higher than, it doesn't get that high. Sorry. I could have... You know what, this... Okay, so... Final player movement. Okay, I just got an idea, and I'm wondering if this would work. The idea is to have a map. So, and it would be of a specific structure, like key binding structs, and it would be something like that. So we have a key binding. The origin is basically like keyboard key, mouse button, or gamepad button or axis. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3. And then key is the key. And then we can have it as a map of map Can I do it like that? Yeah. Okay. This will require a lot of work to load everything. And this will be a thing in the settings. So settings file size. Well, for now, so okay, sorry. I'm getting not very like describing what's going through my head right now. Sorry about that. So each key binding would increase the file size by 5. If I do it like this. Now, I could do funky shit. Right? I could do funky shit. By funky shit, I mean the key is never going to be higher than 2 bytes in size. That means there's 2 empty bytes that aren't being used for anything when it's being stored. So I could have the uppermost byte be the origin, and then just mask it out. I'm doing a lot of bit shit, even though I don't need to be this specific on storage, because this is a fucking game in the year 2022. We don't need to save a single byte of storage space, but it's this kind of stuff that is fun for me and interesting for me, so I want to do it. So let me first FanGS data this. Alright. So in theory, this is the entire byte right here. So if I take this and do U32, keyboard key up is 265. 265. So that means I can take this byte. Technically, it's already fine because it's a thing. It's going to be 0, which is the correct thing. Let me do another enumeration. Keyboard key U32, or wait, what was I doing this for? I don't know why I was trying to create an enumeration for that. Alright, so Let's get this. I can do an... Where is utilities? Could I do a fuse key binding? I think I can do this. Array. Key binding. Can I do that? Okay, yeah. Do that. All right. Key binding. Key. Okay, so key dot. I could do, I could rewrite these to do slices, but that might be an off-stream thing that I just record. Key dot, what is it called? Origin is equal to array offset plus 3, and then key dot what is it? Key dot key is equal to so we do one of these or them with another one, and we only need 2 here. So 0, oh well. This would be the second one. This would be that. So it would be done like that, and then return key. Let's see if this works. Settings dot what is it? Key bindings. Up is equal to fuse raw data 8, 12, 16. Utilities 28. Ah, there's an extra parenthesis. Different parameters but same results. Fuck. So it needs to have... It has the same parameters but different results. So they need to have the different parameters. How would I do that? How would I make these two functions different enough just with their parameters? I guess I could just, like, I don't need to have it like this. I can just save it in place for now. Wait, why did I did it to the wrong one, oh no. Use keybind. And then there's, unfuse I32. Like, I don't need to have them. Why is it doing, why was it stuck like that? That was weird. Ah, okay. See, now we're actually getting into shit. Wait. Why did I do that? Okay. So in theory now it should be getting the key binding and putting it in mapping it. Now, testing it. Should be an easy thing by just doing up I up dot origin. I hope you can do it like that. I've never actually tried. This is my first time actually using maps. 265 and 0. And that is correct. Alright. Let's open this up and let's add another one. So this will be test down. So save. So this is test down. Whereas I don't have Raylib open anymore. So I'm going to test it by doing gamepad axis down. So the left Y. Oh shit. It's gonna need a lot more, well, there's gonna need to be more code behind it, but 0, 1, 2, 3. So this needs to be, and the Y is 1, so 1, and then 3. Okay. So let's do this. Change this to down. This should be 20. Paste these here. Down. And let's see what happens. 3, 1. Okay. Cool, cool. So, for those of you who don't know what a map is, I've just been using them and I haven't described them at all. A map is essentially mapping a variable. It's essentially a list. It's essentially a list, except instead of indexed by number, they're indexed by a key. that key in this case being up and down. So we couldn't go through key bindings and be like one. We couldn't increment through them and see every single one, as far as I know at least. But we can, if we know the key, we know what we're doing. Back in when it was Anbray, I was actually thinking of using a map to kind of map the provinces based on their color. So essentially it would be like we would be doing the same thing, except the key would be like, say, all of the colors added together, or maybe just the color in general, and it would map that province to that, and it would make it a lot quicker to get every province. And considering how integrated maps are into this language, I'm definitely going to be doing that for provinces. But yeah. Okay, so now that I have this properly, I closed Raylib again. I'm actually going to just pull out the actual things. So up 264. 264. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 263. And then 262. Save. Now I just do this with left, right, and just increment this by 4 each time. There we go. As for settings file size, 4, 8, 16, it doubled in size. And I need to edit this so that it unfuses things. Ooh, okay, so I need to make a new unfuse. Alright, so essentially it needs to go like this. Array 3 is equal to var.origin, and then can essentially do the same thing here. And just for cleanliness sake, that. There we go. I will, so this goes 16, 20. So it would be 0, 265, 265, copy, paste, 4 times 4, 3, 2, and then this would be 20, 24, 28, 32, 24, 28. Oh, shit. I didn't do that. There we go. I see. Ooh, that was a hefty bit of load. Target data settings. Okay, let's delete that. Okay. Won't really know if that works to 100% until I have like controller or mouse specific things. But that's all working, and that makes me happy. All right. Let us commit that. I'm not gonna push it. There is one last thing I want to do, and that is, well, before I go and edit player controls, is what I mean. I'm not going to be done after this. I just want to save the settings. Now, overview, OS. Alright, so actually, I don't need to go through a whole thing. I can just go through os dot this. Oh wait, no, I do actually. Let me just actually, this makes me hella not happy. There. I don't know why I specifically want it to be this way, but wait. It's height and width. This is definitely width. And this is definitely height. Brain not working. 720 is the height. Target FPS. Language. Hopefully I don't need to convert it. Okay, do that. Down, left, right. right there. Oh, stupid. There. There. Okay. Now settings can be saved. Now settings can be saved. Alright. Once I have a settings menu, that'll be very useful. Main initialization. Alright, player time. Now it's time to... Now, okay, hold on. Let me just check something. Yeah, this is... key. Let's see if... What? Once... I can't... I'm not going to... Hold on. Sorry, I just gotta check something. This is something that I cannot have shown on stream, period. Alright. Hold on, let me just text this back. I just needed to send that text really quickly. So... Oh, I'm stupid. I was confused because things weren't working properly. Up, down, left, right, build. What? Oh, there's a missing... Let's see if this works. Those don't work. There we go. Alright. But I need to get them right. Oh, To be fair, I'm trying to kill Raylan. No delta time? No, not right now. I'm just basic movement, just getting everything working right now. I'm not really concerned about the movement because, well, it's not important right now. That's just it. I'm just trying to get the key bindings working. I could go about putting up... I'll just do this for now. I don't feel like doing this. Oh. Alright. Brain fart. Well, what am I doing now? I got that working. I got that working. What next? Oh yeah. Map dragging. The main way you're supposed to move the camera. I don't remember how I did this before. This is something that I don't need to use key bindings for because you're not going to be remapping right click and moving the mouse. Alright. So, I don't remember how I did it before. It's been a while. Let's see. Where do I see... Where is cursor stuff? It is not on this page, it is on another one. Mouse. Get mouse ray, get to world position, get world to screen. Is mouse button pressed? Okay. So... Is mouse button down? Which mouse button is it? Right. This is yeah, mouse button. Actually, let's do it like that. Oh, that's right. Stupid. Oh, stupid. There you go. Did I not hit? I definitely thought I hit period there, but oh well. Alright. But there's also the and. Actually, no. There's no and. Yeah, building. I guess I can just do it like this. And just do that. Need to get the difference between the two. Oh, jeez. Does VS Code have anything that'll do that automatically? I tried using C++, but it never works out. You can create task and build process, but C++, yeah, you can. It's finicky. I personally don't like trying to finagle my way through working through other systems like that. So I just make a build bat file and just run it. It makes things so much simpler for me. All that it really means is that I have to tab away, do that, and I do it anyway. So it doesn't it may take a little bit more time in the moment of building, but overall I feel like it's a lot less time trying to figure out how to get everything working properly. Wait, is that? I'm not a genius. I'm opposite. Player, camera. I can't remember. I keep closing Railhead. Camera. Not that one. I need the actual camera there. Position vector 3. Okay. Just need to make sure of things. Player dot camera dot position plus equal to. Actually, let me just cut this out. Raylib dot vector 2. There. Plus equals wait. What am I doing? There. Mouse delta. Oh. Prelude vector 3. Vector 3. Gotta get it right. X is equal to X, and then 0, and then dot Y. Does this actually work like this? Numeric expressions. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Alright then, fine. Actually, just do that. Copy this. Paste. Dot X. Dot Z. There we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, no. You know what? You'd think I would learn not to do some shit sometimes, but no. I was thinking of it too. Like when I was writing this line, I was like, I gotta remember to do position and target. And then I didn't do it. Ooh, okay. Let's just do that. Let's ensmallen this. Ooh, turns out that's perfect. At least for now, until I tighten it up using delta time and shit. Favorite type of bread? Favorite type of bread? I'm trying to think of a way this is like D's nuts type of thing. I don't really have a favorite type of bread. I mean, Like, speaking seriously, I just, if I make like a sandwich or something, I just use whatever bread I see first. Like, I don't really, it's not a joke. Okay, I don't, yeah, no, I don't really have a favorite type of bread. I just kind of grab whatever the first one I see is. Cat bread. Alright, that's an acceptable answer, but you're on thin ice. Nothing much. Just getting some work done. Do I have a favorite type of bread? I'm trying to think now. Is there any bread that I prefer? No. Oh, welcome. Thank you for stabbing me. Now I can finally leave. Okay, that was a lot. It's not exact. You can see drift happening, but I don't really need to worry about that right now. Alright, so the other thing I had as a part of the final player movement is edge scrolling. The problem is, though, oh, I see any even slight mentions of unacceptable bread support, and I will unfollow, block, and cry. You know what? That is fair. That is very fair. Take your bread serious. I respect it. The question is if get mouse y, X and Y. This is going to overload my console, but I have to in order to see things. Get mouse X build. Oh, I don't have format on here? Oh, I don't. That's wild. Alright. 64. Okay, so it is. Oh, wait. Ooh, okay. Okay, so it does do that. Okay, that's good. That's really good, actually. That's what I was hoping for. So, oops. Let me save the get mouse X before I delete that. If get mouse X is less than or equal to, we'll say 20. I don't know what would be a good number. I guess I could just do move speed. Should in theory do minus here. It's essentially. It's a lot more readable than you would think, but it's just like this for me right now. To be easy for me to fuck around with. I'm probably going to do like a text file version later down the line, but this is just. I know it seems worse. It's readable, but I feel like for the end user it's worse. Yeah, but this is like very beginning working on this. There is going to be a point where I'm going to change that, but right now it's not necessary. I will change that in the future. 20, settings, dot window width -20. Let's see if this actually works. And oh, why didn't I? I forget this all the time, and I don't know why. Players, why did I put it? Oof, brain no work. Thinking of bread. All right. Ooh, that is a bit close to... Yeah, exactly. Exactly. There's no 15-minute break every hour here. Just continuous coding. This is a bit more than 20. That's not edge scrolling, that's center scrolling. I gotta figure out, because that starts like right there. The intention is for it to start right there, but that's not the case. -20. Window width, that should be 700 then. I've gone greater than 10 hours non-stop and it's hard. Oh. At that point, your brain is just mush and you're lucky if you can think a coherent thought. Or at least I know, from my experience, that's how I get. There's no thoughts in my brain. I think past... no breaks whatsoever, past 6 hours. 2 of those hours trying to fix a typo. Oh god, I feel that. That's on I feel that on an emotional level. 6 hours with no break, there's not a single thought going through my head. I can't do anything more complicated than sleeping. It was like greater than or equal to instead of less than or equal to, and I didn't realize because my brain, like you said, was mush. Oh man. I've had parts of this project alone, because this isn't the first time I've worked on this project. I originally wrote it in C, and then I guess got bored is the best way of saying it. So I wanted to change things up. I can't remember what it was, but there was something that legitimately bothered me for like 2 streams in a row, and I couldn't figure it out. And that was about like 8 hours. I obviously didn't work on it constantly over the course of those 8 hours. I think the first stream, I remember now. The first stream I spent like on and off over the course of the 4 hours trying to fix it. And then at the beginning of the second stream, like half an hour in, I just thought, what if I do this? And then I fixed it instantly. And I got so angry with myself for so long over that. Because it was such a simple fix, like that, just like that, but greater than or equal settings window width -20. I don't understand why this is giving me weird shit. Hold on, I guess I can just do a FMG print f shared experience of all programmers. A simple error that turns into a multi-hour hunt. Oh. What? Did I? The first one is window. Oh my. Did I seriously? Did I seriously do this? No, no way I actually did this. What did I just do? Hold on, my brain is processing incorrectly. Window height is first one. That is not correct. It is not window height that is the first one. It's window width that's the first one. Wait. Oh, window height. Brain hurty. That language looks really cool. I like it. It's called Odin. Brain no worky. I'm reaching the end of what I can possibly do. I think after this I'm going to have to stop, at least for now. My brain is overheating. Okay, init window. Let's go through this one at a time. Init window. I feel like I'm width height, right? That's what I did. No. Ooh, what did I do? What fuck up did I do with height and width of my fucking game? Oof. Because width and height, it should be like that, because this is 1280, this is 720. 720 is the height. And I just got it wrong. Ugh. Brain. Window width. Height. How did I... Height, width, height. Please tell me this will just work. Okay. There we go. Okay, cool. Finally. Oh god. My brain couldn't process the amount of fuck up I did. Let's increase this to 50. Actually, let me just make this a constant. This is a constant so that I don't have to constantly keep doing that. Save. Build. Oh, dude. Delete that. Do X, Y now. There we go. Save. Oh. The way. Change these to Z. There we go. All the movement options are done. Cool. Jeez. I genuinely can't. That messed with my mind more than it really should have, because that was such a simple problem. but I just couldn't comprehend it for some reason. I don't know. I need a break. Ugh. There we go. Well, how many? I've had 5 contributions today. Oh god. Oof. This is, if I end now, I'm ending a little bit earlier than usual. But shit, I'm not going to be able to write good code like this, so I need to stop. But yeah, thank everyone for watching. It's been fun. Everyone in chat, it's been fun talking to you. I work on this game Wednesdays and Fridays at 2 p.m. EST. I try to stream other days, but usually I'm too, my brain has rotted too much from working on stuff that I just can't do anything more complex than sleeping. So I'm going to try to get back into the groove of streaming on other days, but I can't guarantee anything. Usually on other days I stream at 9 p.m. EST. But yeah, if you want to see more of this next Wednesday, thank you guys for watching. It's been fun. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.